What type of soil do you use in starting seeds in seed trays?
We typically use a seed starting mix, or in the past we have used compost. You can use either or. The rest of the question is perhaps 3/4 potting soil at the bottom and 1/4 seed starting mix at top. That works too. That would work as well. There's nothing wrong with that either.
It's more of a marketing thing, seed starting mix, potting soil. Yet there is some variations to the formulation in those, but either or all of the above is applicable. If you're going to, we always look for the store brand of potting soil or seed starting mix. And for us in our nursery, it is over in the succulent area or the house plants. And I think it used to be a 2 cubic foot bag, and now it's 1 cubic foot bag for about the same price as the 2 cubic foot.
Just like everything else.
It used to be 11 for 2 cubic foot, and now it's like 9 for 1, and they don't have the 2 anymore. But it has a moisture retention mechanism in it that will help hold the moisture so the seeds don't dry out as quickly. Because if you buy the name brand stuff, you're going to pay 4 or 5 times in some instances for a fraction of the size of the store brand, and the store brand is just as good as the name brand stuff. So do your finance figuring and figure out, is it worth to go the name brand? What are you paying for there versus the store brand? And is the store brand quality enough for your seed start?